Namaskar, Bridge Course, Standard 7th Maths, Day 40. Today we are see about polygons. Draw one diagonal of given quadrilateral and divide it into two triangles. We can draw a quadrilateral and draw one diagonal. We get two triangles. And you know that sum of measure of the three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. First triangle, sum of measure of the three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Also of second triangle. In this quadrilateral, we can get two triangles. So, the sum of measure of all angles of a quadrilateral is equal to the sum of two triangles. 180 degree multiplied by 2, that is equal 360 degree. So, the sum of measure of the four angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. Polygons. Triangles, quadrilaterals, pentagons and other closed figure with more than 5 sides are all called polygons. Triangles, quadrilaterals, pentagons and other closed figures with more than 5 sides are all called polygons. Here one polygon is drawn. We draw a dotted lines as shown in figure from any one vertex. We can take this vertex and draw a line to the other vertex and we get triangles 1, 2 and 3. We get three triangles. One triangle, the sum of measure of all angles of a triangle is 180 degree. We get three triangles, so we can multiply 180 degree by 3. Answer is 540 degree. In this way, any polygons can divide into triangles and find sum of measures of all angles. Let's practice. We can given a polygon. This polygon name is pentagon. Vertex. Vertex A, vertex B, vertex C, vertex D, vertex E. We can write here A, comma B, comma C, comma D, comma E. These are the 5 vertex of this pentagon. Sides. Side AB, side BC, side CD, side DE, side AE. These are the 5 sides of the pentagon. Now we can write the name of angles. Angle A, angle B, angle C, angle D, angle E. We can start from the angle A. Angle EAB. Second, angle ABC. Third, angle BCD. Fourth, angle CDE. Fifth, angle DEA. In this way, we can get 5 angles. Pentagon means 5 vertex, 5 sides, 5 angle. So this diagram is called a pentagon. We can write a figure name and number of sides. First figure name pentagon, number of sides 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Number of sides 5. Second figure name hexagon, number of sides 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Third figure about heptagon, number of sides 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And next figure is about octagon, number of sides 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The sum of measures of all angles of hexagon is equal. We can draw here hexagon 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 sides means hexagon and we can get a triangles 1, 2, 3, 4. One triangle, sum of all measures of angles is 180 degree. Here 4 triangles we get, so multiply 180 by 4. Answer is 720 degree. Complete the chart. Name of the polygon, number of vertices, number of sides, number of angles. Pentagon. Number of vertex 5, number of sides 5, number of angles 5. So it is called a pentagon. Hexagon. Number of vertex 6, number of sides 6, number of angles 6. So it is called a hexagon. Heptagon. Number of vertex 7, number of sides 7, number of angles 7. So it is called a heptagon. Octagon. Number of vertex 8, number of sides 8, number of angles 8. So it is called a octagon. Look for examples of polygons in your surroundings. Draw them. You can look for examples of polygons in your surroundings and draw them. You can see a flower, picture of house, picture of table. In the table there is a quadrilateral. In a house there is a pentagon. In a flower, when we can draw a line at the tip of the petals, we get a pentagon. In this way, many examples you can draw. Draw any polygon and divide it into triangular parts as shown here. Thus, work out the sum of the measures of the angles of the polygon. Here, one polygon is given. It can divide it into triangular parts 1, 2, 3, and we can count the measure of the angles of the polygon. The sum of measure of the angles of a given polygon is equal one triangle sum of all angles is 180 degree. Here 3 triangles can get, so multiply 180 degree by 3. Answer is 540 degree. So we get the measure of the angles of this polygon is 540 degree. Thank you.